What you got going on there?
Well, I am actually putting in the drain for the kitchen sink. A little strange, but we're getting it in there. Inch and a half. I got this all up.
It's a little bit different size, but I think we got. So which one do you want to use? You want to use the
smaller one? That's so funny. We got them going now. That was funny. You left yourself plenty to work with.
Oh yeah. It's about a foot and a half. Well, hello everybody. As you can maybe hear, I'm not too sure if you're going to be picking that up, but the wind, it's been insane today. It is very, very cold, very desolate. Woke up this morning, it was like 50 degrees around 5 in the morning, and then the wind started coming in and it's just cooled down so much. I think it's like 31 degrees out there right now, maybe a little bit colder, but working in the garage today, so I'm very thankful. There's not too much that's been going on in here, but I am about to start doing the drawers. Jim and I are going to start putting these together. First things first is got to route out the sides, put grooves in them, put them together, then attach them to the side guides here. Both side guides on the bedroom area and the pantry are in. Still need to put the side guides for the under part of the stove, but pretty much everything is cut and ready to go. So at this point, you know, we're getting the final details of the build done. Very excited. Jim and Debbie's house, I had to do some extra stuff to get it good to go with the VA loan and also all the inspection stuff. So we've been, you know, kind of halfway concentrating on this, but really putting a lot of focus into getting their house ready, because that's the number one priority. But I'll show you what I have going on in the garage. Oh, hey, Kobe's. Kobe doesn't mind the cold. Actually might need to bring some lights in here. The wind is actually coming from this direction, so I'm going to keep those garage doors closed. Brought my heater in here, and there's another heater over there that I got from Jim, but I looked up there, there's an open vent. So the heat's not going to do us too good, but it is warmer in here without the wind. But these are the doors, some of the cabinets themselves. The big majority of all the drawers are right over here. So all these are pre-cut, ready to go. I'm about to start sanding the bottoms of these so they fit into the grooves that we make a little bit better. Most of the day will be spent in here. What you doing there, Jim?
I'm spraying silicone on my table saw because we're getting ready to groove the sides and the ends of the drawers for the bottoms.
Can you explain what grooving is?
Yeah, we're going to run it through here. Instead of putting several blades on this, which is normal in a cabinet shop, we're just going to run it through like 4 times to get the width that we need for our bottoms. And the groove is to strengthen. There'll be a little groove in the sides and the front of the box, the drawer itself. And then the bottoms are a little bit large for the box, so they go into the grooves. So we glue that, nail that, it gives a lot of strength. You don't have to worry about them ever coming apart. Okay? Piece of cake.
Piece
right now
of cake.
I'm spraying silicone on because it keeps the saw from grabbing your material. So it'll go through real smooth. And you do this periodically. You just keep cutting until you feel it start to grab a little bit. Then you spray some silicone on and wipe it off. No, there's not enough to see, so it doesn't really matter.
All right, next stage is gluing it, nailing together.
Next stage is you gluing and nailing together.
This half inch is gonna be tricky.
Okay,
Let's do it.
take this one, and like I said, you can have a lot of feathers in there, which can make a difference, but may not. You may stick it together and work fine, but they might sometimes hold them apart. So a little tool about that wide, which you can just kind of run through there, and just knock out the feathers. If there's no feathers, it's so much feathers.
All right, Jim, give us an update.
Well, we're just having fun. Just call us the wood butchers today.
So the width on the drawers are not turning out like we had hoped.
Somebody made a little bitty mistake on measuring, that's all.
So getting things sorted, the pantry ones were a little too wide and the bedroom ones were a little too short.
Narrow,
Yeah, narrow is the correct terminology, but I'm getting it fixed.
Hey, you got that right.
The only bad part is what Jim's working on there is I had already attached the face, which is a whole different breakdown process than the previous one.
That's okay.
But another good news, Kobuk gets to go out and play in the snow. It's snowing out there.
Yeah, it is.
Him and Maisie are running around.
Work.
Little bit of sawdust.